high diversity, biodiversity, in many studies, it has been shown to be equivalent to high ecosystem services. So things like, carbon sequestration, flood water management. And these are intangible services. They're not directly economic. So perhaps there are other studies that try to monetize these services. But really, these are services that are intangible. But another contribution of diversity to human economics and healthcare is in medicines and drugs. There's so many compounds out in nature. These are what the plants and animals have evolved over the last millions of years, and they have perfected the art of responding to emergencies in nature. They are constantly fighting diseases, enemies. And so there's a lot of things that we can learn from nature, harvesting of their compounds out there that we are still discovering new species of plants and even animals in Singapore. And so who knows, whether the next drug or medicine could come from our forests. And actually to give an opposite point of view from what we can reap from nature is the cost of disrespecting nature. And that's what we are seeing. COVID-19 is a perfect example of disrespecting nature. And it's, because people were eating things that they're, eating wildlife, things that we should not be eating. And, ended up that there was a disease from an animal, it got passed on to a human. And so we are, living in this pandemic right now. And so, there are so many things that we still don't understand about nature, and that, nature should have I think that nature should have its place to live and to flourish. And we humans should not, without understanding nature first, we should not, disturb them too much. Otherwise, we risk another pandemic.